what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix Zoho Mails not receiving emails. The first thing that you have to make sure is if your internet connection is all good and working well. For sometimes it could just be the simple reason why you cannot receive emails on Zoho Mail. The next thing that you have to do is make sure or check if your storage on Zoho Mails is full or not. Another reason why your Zoho Mail can't receive emails is that it is already full on storage. So the next thing you can do is verify your domain settings. Make sure that your DNS records are set up correctly. Verify if your mail exchange records are configured properly for Zoho Mail. You can check it all on DNS settings. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily fix your Zoho Mail not receiving emails. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!